Eliminate fungus and calluses on feet with this unbelievable home remedy. When a problem develops in the feet, it is at that moment that most people usually pay more attention. Often misuse of footwear, continued friction and contact with microorganisms can be factors that affect the skin and cause calluses, cracking and infections. The good news is that today we bring you a method that will help you improve the skin on your feet, eliminate harshness, fungus and other changes. So pay close attention to how to make this natural method so economical, simple to soften and keep your feet healthy. There are a number of home methods for feet that help fight fungi, remove dead cells and avoid other annoying problems that make them look bad. One of these treatments is aspirin with lemon juice, effective to exfoliate, clean and soften even the hardest areas of the skin. In addition, it is amazing to control the fungus in the feet and nails, as it reduces development and controls the itching sensation they usually cause. It has a high concentration of beta-hydroxy acid, a fat-soluble component that cosmetics companies use to prepare creams and exfoliating lotions. It also concentrates substances that are anti-inflammatory and soothing that allow to reduce the tension and pain of this part of the body, and more after a full day of physical activity. Ingredients: 5 aspirin. Juice of a lemon. 1 pumice stone. Preparation: in a mortar, grind the aspirins until a powder is obtained. Add the powder obtained in a bowl and mix with the lemon juice until a compact and homogeneous paste is obtained. If it is dry, you can add a little lemon or a tablespoon of water. Use: wash your feet to remove any dirt. Apply a layer of the mixture over areas damaged by calluses and fungus. Leave to act 30 minutes and remove with plenty of warm water. Then rub with a pumice stone to remove dead and hard skin. Rinse with warm water and dry your feet well. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. With its frequent use can reduce the proliferation of fungi and bacteria, preventing imbalances in the pH of your skin and bad odors. It complements the use of this treatment with a moisturizer, since this zone tends to suffer from excessive dryness.